Right, we're at the fish market in Newhaven. It's quite a big place. I think there's other shops in there. We've got a bit of a harbour going on here. It's really quite nice, other than for the weather. And we're just right outside Edinburgh. So, yeah, we've had a really good day. We've been driving all over the place. And they've got all kinds on the menu there. So we thought we'd just try a couple of things. So we've got Mussels Marinière here. And as you can see, they look pretty wild, don't they? So let's give them a go. And they're in the shells. Well, that one's vacated. So let's have a little crack at these. A little bit of the sauce and the juice here. They're super fresh, you'd swear they came off the walls, Downey. Yeah. And there's plenty of them as well. Yeah. Well, that was successful. That was quite nice.
What are you scoring it?
Hey,
What are you scoring it?
we got a monkfish to go and a couple of other bits. Mussels were nice.
Yeah, scallops.
No, we didn't actually.
It's authentic.
Yeah. You take care.
Take it easy, guys.
See you now. Talking to somebody there who obviously eats there a bit, or has done. You know some of the chippies around here. This is the monkfish. As you know, with a monkfish, it's all head, isn't it? And the tail's only a little bit. If you say a monkfish is this big, you've got to say the tail's about this big on the end of it. Like that. You know, a bit of an exaggeration, but they are all head. So they've cut it into chunks, as you can see, and it looks fabulous. I'm looking forward to getting into this. Slice of lemon. Let's get that on there. And let's go with these chips. Cooking in sunflower oil. I like them. Well, let's get into this monkfish. Look at that. Beautiful. White flesh. Yeah, that is delicious. Starting to rain here, as you can imagine. Got mushy peas. I wanted to try this Vietnamese sauce with this. They've got all kinds of fancy things going on in there. Let's get another chunk of this. You can see the shape of the monkfish, can't you? You can see that it's kind of a thick, round shape and a short tail. Wow. That sauce is very vinegary. Very acidic. So let's have a little bit more of this. That is really delicious. That batter, so light. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Now, let's have a look at their mushy peas here. Now that's thick. That is really thick. Really tasty. Very subtle with the seasoning in that. And some people don't put anything in at all, but I can taste something going on. That's how I like my peas. I don't like too much moisture. I don't like water on the top of them. Back to the computer, where I'll look at some reviews and I'll write my own. So we'll see you there. 2-star. Quite upset with my order this evening. I get the same thing regularly, and for some reason tonight, my kids' portion came with more chips than my large fish supper. 3-star. Good food, but many customers and a line that was too long. A 1-hour wait. 5-star. The fish market's takeaway queue was super long, and now we know why. All these little symbols of prawns and fish and whatnot. Amazing food, and we felt like we were away on holiday with the atmosphere. Really a place we will visit again. Mine, 5-star. Edinburgh is an incredible but often bustling city, so it's refreshing to venture just outside the centre to the harbour and the fish market. There's also a fishmonger's next door. I suppose we didn't go in, but I don't know whether you can or not, but that'd probably be interesting. And so either you know, at least you know where they're probably getting their fish from if the price is right. There's ample parking around the perimeter, offering a pleasant walk along the waterfront. The staff were both welcoming and professional. The spacious restaurant serves a wide variety of seafood, much of it locally caught. The takeaway section was spotless, and despite a small queue, service was swift. The battered monkfish and chips were an absolute delight. The monkfish was fresh, meaty, and generously portioned, while the chips were perfectly crisp and plump. The Mussels Marinière was a true treat, served fresh in a light buttery sauce. The mushy peas were thick and made in-house, and the Vietnamese sauce added a sharp, vinegary tang to the monkfish, creating a wonderful contrast. Cooking in sunflower oil, hygiene rating pass, cash or card, fish reviewed, monkfish. The quality of the fish and chip shops up there, really, I can't wait to get back up there. We've got plenty of other places to go before that. See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.